Also making headlines at this hour, the Ford Motor Company is changing the way that it does business and has announced that it is splitting its electric vehicle program from the traditional Ford business. But as Rod Maloney reports, he joins us now live this afternoon. This is not the spin-off Wall Street wanted Ford to do, Rod.
That's right, Evrod. They've been asking Ford to actually make a separate entire business. But Ford believes that it has the ability to run the e-business, take the constraints off of it, and at the same time fund that business with the rest of the traditional Ford internal combustion engine business. So they have strength because they say down the line they can do a better job than, say, Tesla to take care of its customers. So let's take a look a little bit at what it is that they're going to be doing in prioritizing electric vehicles. They say that they're going to have 3 different divisions. They already started one called Ford Pro, and that started as a result of its commercial business needing to get some help. And now they're going to have something called Ford E, Model E, for the electric vehicle division, and then Ford Blue for the traditional internal combustion engine business. They're going to be using the train station to have a lot of their high-tech people attract a lot of the best talent that they can possibly find in order to make that happen. And over time, they'll be looking to wind down the traditional business. But again, that's going to be over quite a bit of time. So let's hear from Jim Farley, Ford CEO, and also analyst Sam Abel-Samid talking about what it is that's going on and why and how this is all playing out.
It's a big day for Ford. These changes are significant. It's not the first time Ford Motor Company had to reimagine its future and form its own path that's different for other companies. The bottom line is this: we have the opportunity to blow people away with amazing products in the second and third inning of this digital transformation for our industry, and to completely reinvent the experience of owning a Ford.
So I think that this makes a lot of sense, and what we'll see over the next decade or two is the gradual wind down of what has been established as Ford Blue as they make that transition to all electric over the long term.
Now, one of the things that Ford is saying is that it needs to cut $3 billion worth of cost out of the Ford Blue division. And they say that everything is on the table. They say that they have high warranty costs, but they also are not ruling out the possibility of job cuts. In the meantime, the union, UAW, is saying that they're on board with all this, but they do want to protect as many jobs as they can. Reporting live, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
All right, Rod, thank you for keeping us updated.